Welcome class 10th. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of trigonometry, and the name of the today's topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Let us consider a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle at B it is 90 degree. Okay, here angle B is 90 degree. Let us say this angle is theta. Let us say this angle is theta. Let us say angle C is theta. So therefore we can write that angle A will be 90 minus theta by angle sum property. Okay, so this angle A will be 90 minus theta. Okay, now see very carefully. I am going to write all the values of trigonometric ratios for theta and 90 minus theta for both the angles. So here I can write sin theta, that is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular means the side opposite to here, the side opposite to angle theta, that is AB, by hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree, that AC. Same like this I can write cos theta, adjacent side to angle theta, that is BC, that is called base, by hypotenuse, that AC. Then I can write sec theta, and sec theta is what? That is hypotenuse upon base. So that is AC upon BC. Cosec theta, that is the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular, and also we can say it is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write AC by AB. Okay. Right, then I can write tan theta, that is perpendicular upon base, means the side opposite to theta, that is AB. Base means side adjacent to theta, that is BC. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is BC by AB. Okay. Now let us write for sin 90 minus theta, means this angle, for this angle. So sin is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? That is the side opposite to here 90 minus theta, and side opposite to 90 minus theta is here BC. So this is our perpendicular, so we can write BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, then cos 90 minus theta, adjacent side to 90 minus theta, that is AB, upon AC, that is hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. Then sec 90 minus theta, reciprocal of cos, that is AC by AB. Cosec 90 minus theta, that is reciprocal of sine, that is AC by BC. Tan 90 minus theta, that is perpendicular upon base. So for 90 minus theta, the opposite side is BC and the adjacent side is AB. And cot 90 minus theta is reciprocal of tan, that is AB by BC. Now, if we will observe very carefully here, so this is AB by AC, right, and this is also AB by AC. So what do you see? This is AB by AC, this is AB by AC, equal. So we can write that AB by AC here is the value of sine theta, that is equals to, here AB by AC is the value of cos 90 minus theta. So these are complement of each other. Sine and cos are complementary angles. Okay, so sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Same like this, if you see BC by AC, BC by AC. So what can I write? I can write cos theta, that is equals to sine 90 minus theta. So these are complementary of each other, sine and cos, right? Then if you see AB by BC, and here you can see AB by BC. So tan and cot are complementary of each other. So I can write tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, or I can write cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. Same like this, you will see sec theta, AC by BC, that is AC by BC, that is cosec 90 minus theta. So we can write sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, or we can write cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta. So sine and cos are complementary, tan and cot are complementary, sec and cosec are complementary, right? Okay, now let us see few examples how to use this property. Okay, so suppose our question is evaluate sine 25 degree by cos 65 degree. Now as we know, sine and cos are complementary of each other, right? So sine 25 degree, and as we know that what, that sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So in place of this sine theta, what I am going to write, see here very carefully, sine theta I am going to write cos 90 minus, what is our theta here, that is 25 degree. So in place of theta we will write 25 degree by, there is no need to change this cos which is in denominator, 65 degree. So solving further, cos 90 minus 25 is how much, 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 2 is 6. Cos 65 degree by cos 65 degree, we can cancel them out and our answer will be 1, right? So this is how we can use. Let me take few questions from exercise 8.3 NCERT. Question number 1. Evaluate part 1. Let me take part 2. Tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. So again, either, as we know, tan and cot are complementary of each other, so we can change tan or cot. So as we know, tan theta is what? Tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. So we'll apply here tan. This is tan, theta is 26, so that is tan 90 minus theta, that is 26 degree. So this theta is 26, here also theta is 26 degree. Okay, divides by, there is no need to change cot for the denominator, so that is equals to tan 90 minus 26, that is 10 minus 6 is 4, 64 degree. Sorry, here cot is there, that is cot 90 minus theta, that is cot 90 minus 26 degree. So in the denominator also cos 64 degree, so cancelled and answer is 4. Let us take part 3. Okay, question number 1. So part 3 is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. As we know, cos and sin are complementary of each other. So this is cos theta. Cos theta, what we can write? Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. What is theta here? 48 degree minus sin 42 as it is. So that is sin 90 minus 48. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 42 minus sin 42. Cancel. Answer is 0. So this is how we have to apply, or we have to use complementary angles in trigonometry. Okay, right? Let me take one more question from this exercise, and I am going to take question number 3. Okay, so this is question number 3. Question number 3 is, if tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, we need to find the value of a, right? And here 2a is an acute angle, where 2a is an acute angle. Okay, we need to find value of a. So here let me write tan 2a, that is equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Now you see, tan and cot are complementary of each other, so I can write tan theta. This is tan theta. Tan theta I can write what? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, and here theta is what? 2a. So that is equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, right? So this is also the angle of cot 90 minus 2a, and here it is cot a minus 18. So therefore we can write 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18. Okay, which we can write 90 plus 18 is equals to a plus 2a, that is 3a equals to 108. So a is 36 degree. right?